Welcome to my backyard. Today we're going to plant some tomato seeds. Okay, I have them here ready. I took them out from the tomatoes today in the afternoon. And we're going to plant them and we're going to recycle. We're going to use an old plastic bottle. This is a soda plastic bottle, okay? Empty. I emptied and I washed it with water and soap, and I took away all the little, all the brand and everything. Okay, and the first thing that you have to do after you washed it is you'll use plastic bottle. You will use an old rag. It's very important that you use old cloth, okay? Old rags, okay? You will need some soil, and you will need the seeds, of course, and water, okay? And you can use a knife, and I have this little thing. This is very, very dangerous. So you should ask your mom or your dad to help you cut. This is used to cut, okay? This is used to cut the water bottle, okay? First thing, you will take the cap off and you will cut an X, okay? I don't know if you can see it there. You will cut an X, okay, in the bottle, in the cup. And in here, you're gonna place the pieces of the rag pieces inside, okay? If it's kind of difficult, you can use, I have this little thing here, plastic thing. You can use something to help you push it inside. You see there? I have one, and I'll put the other one now. Okay, I'll put the other one on the other side. Why am I using rags, cloth rags? Well, the cloth rags are going to help me to, there it is, it's inside. The cloth rags are going to help me to transport water, okay, from one place to the other, from one part of the plant to the other part of the plant, okay? So there, I have it. I'm gonna try for them to be half and half, half inside, half outside, okay, just like this, okay? It has to look something like this, okay? You see, half of the cloth is outside and the other half is inside the cap, okay? The cap, you see? Now, my bottle. First, I'm gonna cut it almost through the half, okay? Almost through the half. This is very dangerous. I suggest you ask a father or your mom or your dad or somebody old, an adult, to help you cut it, okay? This is kind of difficult to cut. You can use a scissor too, but it's gonna be a lot harder. So I prefer to use this, or a knife, of course. And here you have the two parts. You see, so what we're going to do is something like this. Okay? This is a self-watering plant. Because how many of you forget, I'm gonna cut a little bit more. Okay? How many of you have ever been forgetting? How many of you have forgotten to water your plants and they die because they don't have water? So this is a good way. Very good. Okay. So this is a good way. And if you see, you have to be very, very careful with this, cutting this. Okay. There it goes. Okay. There it is. I'm gonna throw this away. Okay. Here it is. Okay. So what I'm going to do, okay, first of all, I'm going to relock the cap. I'm going to make sure that the two parts of the cloth go inside the water bottle. There you are. And now lock it up like this. You see? Okay. So what I'm going to do next? Well, first I'm going to moisturize the rags, the cloth that is inside the water bottle, okay? Okay, I have it moisturized. Don't worry if you see it dripping, is good. Okay, I'm gonna put it inside so it collects water here inside. And I'm going to put inside some soil, okay? I'm gonna put some soil inside. You can touch the soil, it's all right to touch it. Or you can put it with this, with a little shovel that I bought recently. Okay. I'm going to put it very carefully so I don't get it out. I don't spill it out. Okay. There we go. There it is, okay? Have it in there in the middle because I need to leave some space for the air to come. Okay, so now that I have it here, I'll plant my seeds, okay? I'll plant my seeds, okay? These are tomato seeds. I took them out from a tomato that I was eating yesterday in the morning, okay? So I'll open a little space. There it goes, in the air. I'll open a little hole, and I'll put my tomato seeds inside. Okay, my little tomato seeds in there inside. Okay, good. I'll put them inside. There they are. And I'm going to cover them with more soil. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit more of soil on top. Just a little bit, not much, okay? Make sure you don't put a lot of soil, because then the seeds will become they would be swallowed by the soil, and they are not going to be born as tomato plants, okay? Now, here's the interesting part. Since the first time you planted, you will put a little bit of water inside, okay? You can see, you can almost see how the earth starts to put moisture and how it is absorbed, how it is absorbing the water, okay, and getting moisturized. If I put this thing near, you can see the moisture going down, okay? This will help your plant keep wet and moisturized, okay? And then the resting water, I'll put it here, and I'll put, what's going to happen? I'll put it inside there. What's going to happen? Well, if I forget to put water, to water my plants, the water that is in here under it, it's going to go all the way up, because it's keeping moisture, it's keeping wet the cloth. So the cloth is going to transport its moisture to the soil, and it's going to prevent the soil from being too dry. So if I forget to water the plants, this is a helpful way to keep them watered. And then I just have to check if there's no water here, it means there's no water here. So I just have to fill it up again. Okay, so this is our project for this week. I hope you like it. Please keep track of your plants. Check them. I would love to see pictures of your plants growing up. See you later.